Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix exit code 1 Minecraft Neoforge. First, let's cover some essential initial checks. Make sure your Java installation is the correct version for your Neoforge setup, as an incompatible version is a frequent culprit. Also, confirm your graphics drivers are fully updated. Finally, ensure your system has at least 4 GB of available RAM allocated to Minecraft for smooth operation. These steps often resolve many common issues quickly. A very common cause for exit code 1 is a mod conflict. Begin by temporarily removing any recently installed mods from your Neoforge mods folder. Then, try launching the game. If it works, reintroduce your mods one by one, testing after each edition until you identify the problematic mod. Always check mod descriptions for known incompatibilities or required dependencies to prevent future issues. If mod conflicts aren't the problem, a clean reinstallation of your Neoforge profile can often help. This ensures all core files are fresh and uncorrupted. Before reinstalling, consider deleting configuration files for any suspected mods, as these can sometimes carry over issues. Additionally, use your Minecraft Launchers option to verify game file integrity, which can repair missing or damaged core game assets. For persistent issues, diving into your crash reports and game logs is crucial. These files contain valuable information about what went wrong, often pointing directly to the cause. Look for specific error messages or mod names within the logs. Use these details to search online forums or the Neoforge community. Sharing your full crash report, there can often lead to a solution from experienced users.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.